Nikita, Yogi Adityanath is also planning to reach the spot. What do we know about his visit and about also what's happening at the site?
Well, absolutely, Vineet. At least now 15 people were killed in a massive fire broke out in a building housing a coaching center in Lucknow's Aliganj today, and several people were trapped as a blaze spread rapidly, with some students seen jumping from first floor in desperate attempts. Now, the latest updates we can see is Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is reaching at the spot, and apart from this, DGP, if we talk about ACS home, already being present, Health Minister, Deputy Health Minister, and also Deputy CM Brajesh Pathak is currently present on the venue where all the broke out visuals can be clearly seen. And now the fire, which raged over an hour, was eventually brought under control, and after which authority recovers that at least 15 bodies now from the site. And also the building located in a very busy commercial area also houses a pet shop and other stores also. An eyewitness there also says that all the chaos unfolds, a flame engulfed in coaching center, and visual showed a man falling while trying to flee and blaze. Now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has cancelled all the upcoming programs because today he was present in Aliganj, he was Aligarh, and he was giving all the he was addressing people there, and from there he cancelled other programs because tomorrow he was supposed to be present at Hathras, but now he straight away came to Lucknow and reaching at the spot. And the latest update says that now 15 students have been died as the dead bodies are reaching on the trauma center. And also now Prime Minister Narendra Modi have said that compensation of 2 lakhs will be given to the students who have been dead, and 50,000 each for the students who got injured. So this is the latest update. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath now is also reaching the spot, and also DGP ACS home are already present at the spot. Over to you.